you should never compare yourselves to your role models. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. You should have role models. That's fine. That's good. Do you know what I mean? Because obviously you're looking at all these people and you're thinking, wow, they're doing this or they're doing this, so I want to be like them when I grow up. That's good. That's amazing. But you should never compare yourselves to your role models. You can't compare yourself to someone else. Why? Because as much as you want to be where they are, as much as you want to look like them when you grow up, or to do things like they do, to treat people like they treat people, all that's good. You need to realize people are different, which means their journey to get into that point is very different to yours. So if you're comparing yourself, you're thinking, well, this is what he did to get there. Okay, and that worked for him. You mean that worked for him? Now your thing is you want to get to where they are, whoever they are. You're trying to get to where they are. You're trying to, I don't know, become happier like they are. You're trying to treat your family like they do, or be happy, whatever it is. You're trying to be like that person because they're your role model. But your journey to get into where they are is probably 10 times easier or harder. Basically, it's different. Why? Because they come from different generations, different upbringing, different areas, different times. Do you mean the resources are different to when you're doing it and when they were doing it? You know, different people. Do you mean everything's different? So as much as you want to get there, that's good. You also need to remember that the paths are different, because what happens is people do what they do and they're trying to follow someone's exact path, not knowing some doors are only open to certain people, and unless you're there at that particular time, that particular situation, it's not going to be the same. So when things don't work out the way they want to work out, then it becomes, well, maybe I'm never going to get there. Maybe they're so different. Maybe this is that. No, sometimes there's a lot of luck and everyone's luck's different. Do you know what I mean? At the end of the day, you need to understand people are different. People's paths are different. Have role models. It's amazing, because these are the people you look up to, and these are the people that make you realize, you know what, there's a better way to do things. But you should never ever compare yourself to them. It's not worth it. It doesn't make sense. And a lot of times you comparing your journey to someone else makes yours harder, because you're not focused on the door you're trying to walk through. You're not focused on the door that's open to you. You're thinking, well, they went through here, so I'm going to go through there. Well, maybe that was the harder way to do it. We don't know. Do you mean? Maybe you have another door that's open today because of the current time and current climate that you're living in that they didn't have open to them. But you're not looking at that. You're not realizing all that simply because you want to follow the same exact path they did. That's what it is. Think about it and just always keep that in mind. The journey and the goal is to get there. It's not to follow the same exact path they did. Until next time, keep winning. Hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.